Hi there, let's talk about Introduction to Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a collection of software services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insights. Whether your data is a simple Microsoft Excel workbook or a collection of cloud-based and on-premises hybrid data warehouses, Power BI lets you easily connect to your data sources, visualize or discover what's important, and share that with anyone or everyone you want. Next, talking about the building blocks of Power BI. Everything you do in Microsoft Power BI can be broken down into a few basic building blocks. After you understand these building blocks, you can begin creating elaborate and complex reports. Let's explore the basic building blocks. Starting with the visualizations, sometimes also referred to as a visual. It is a visual representation of data like a chart, a color-coded map, or other interesting things that you can create to represent your data visually. Power BI has all sorts of visualization types and more are coming all the time. Then we have got datasets, a collection of data from a combination of many different sources which you can filter and combine to provide a unique collection of data which is used to create these visualizations. Then we have got reports, which is a collection of visualizations which appear together on one or more pages. Lastly, we have got dashboards, which is a collection of visuals from a single page that you can share with others. Often, it's a selected group of visuals which would provide you quick insight into the data or a story that you're trying to present. Also, we have got tiles on these dashboards. It's a single visualization on a report or a dashboard, and it's a rectangular box which would hold an individual visual. So that's about the introduction to Power BI.